What's up guys, welcome to today's video, and as you can tell by the title, it's a FIFA 17 pack opening, but not just that, it is my dog Rocket. Say hello Rocket. Oi, he's trying to jump down, we're trying to make a pack opening mate. Oi, he just sneezed over there, let's get on with the pack opening quicker. So guys, first pack now, come on Rocket, you're gonna bring me luck mate, you're gonna bring me luck. Think you are. Anya. Oh, you really think that's luck? You think that's luck? Giving me a Swedish left back. Really? Oh my god. You think it's good when you see goalkeeper Italian. Actually, who's a good in Italian? Buffon, maybe? I think? Or am I just being dumb? Yeah, Buffon. But still, it's not Buffon. Rockets just jumped away. Okay, looks like Rockets behind the pack opening now. Next pack. Come on then. Too long. Yes, we got it right. Yeah, Rocket didn't want to do the pack opening now. Halfway through and he wants to go, so bye Rocket. Okay, next pack. Come on. Give me some luck, Martial. Give me some luck. Darmian. I can't say that, guys. Next pack. Go on. Oh. Rami. Yes! I'm sick at guessing these players. Got Toulon and Rami now. But Rami's not going to sell because he's 59 pace. So, you know, I don't want that crap. Spin chair pack. Oh, I look round. Tottenham, English, foils. But no, it's Dyer. But he'll probably sell some, so, you know. Let's get into the pack. We've only had one good. We've only had one good thing. Oh my god! Oh wait! Is that Matip? Oh my... I was just complaining because it's that Contra, but he actually sells, I think. Matip sold for 6k, guys. Get it. Next back. Come on. Oh my god. We just got trolled again. He's actually decent, but poor Buffon. Oh my god. Come on. Guys, this is not being really good pack opening, is it? Next pack, come on, Di Maria. Oh, that's it. Rocket, you're coming back up here, mate. Rocket, you get me luck. Go on then, Rocket. You're staying up here now. Come on, Rocket's gonna give me luck.